If you're tying the knot anytime soon, or have a birthday coming up, or just happen to have a sweet tooth, then it's time you pay a visit to Delicie Patisserie. With outlets in Bandra, Juhu and Powai, this little bakery has been making Mumbai just a little bit sweeter for the last 9 years. The patisserie caters to all sorts of occasions, from birthdays to baby showers, but their specialty remains in exotic wedding cakes, customized to the finish to perfectly match the client's desires. Known for baking preservative-free and entirely hand-done cakes, the owner Bunty Mahajan has now also introduced the luxury collection. With highly intricate designs and exquisite elements like edible gold paint, these cakes can make you feel truly special on your big day. Let's go behind the scenes to find out just what goes on into the creation of each masterpiece from the mastermind herself.
We start by baking the cake, then we go on to layering it, and after the layering is done, the whole cake is covered. All the tiers are covered with fondant. After that, we begin to join the tiers with fancy moldings. Could be beads, could be laces. And in this way, we finish the cake. Final decoration is with the flowers and the edible gold paint. And we customize it to the client's requirements according to their color themes, and it basically depends on what exactly they want, and we do go by their choice.
Apart from custom cakes, Delicie Patisserie also has ready-made cupcake and pastries for those looking for a quick dessert. And what's more, you'll find a great range of variety too, from classic chocolate to crunchy caramel. They have it all, and they only hope to keep adding new flavors and designs to the menu.
Delicie Patisserie was basically born out of my passion for baking, and I follow that even today in my travels and everything. My first and foremost priority is to go and visit all the bakeries, and I think I learn a lot by doing that.
With each dessert, a perfect blend of just the right flavors and a whole lot of love from the patisserie, sprinkled with her passion for baking, you will surely taste heaven in every bite you take.